and welcome to another of Morse's Math Morsels. Help factor the sum of cubes. And here it is, an example of the sum of two cubes. X cubed plus 1 is, oh, what is it? Uh-oh. What if you have a test situation or some such and you have to factor a sum of cubes? I started to say difference, but that's in another related video. So here's a little trick, little technique that might help in a pinch such as this. I'm going to let x equal 6. Now just remember, let x equal 6. And put the 6 in place of x, and then cube. The 6 gives 216. Add the 1. Okay, 217. So there's a sum of cubes with x equaling 6. Then let's factor 217. It equals 31 times 7. Or we can call it 7 times 31. Now you probably remember that, oh, x cubed plus 1, there's some x in the parenthesis, and then there has to be a 1 over here, and then, oh, there's some x squared, and there's an x, and there's a 1. And remember that there had to be an x squared and a first degree x term in each of these parentheses expressions, and then a 1. But I don't remember the signs. Gee, was it a plus sign that went here, or minus, or plus or minus that went here, or plus or minus there? Which signs do I use? Well, we can use the 7 times 31, help us put in the correct signs. Since 7 is 1 more than 6, 7 equals 6 plus 1, I'm going to use that 6 plus 1 and put a plus sign. That first factor must therefore be x plus 1. So that's our 6 plus 1 equals 7. And the x squared and the x and the 1, just a little more work. I'm going to erase this for the time being. Alright, we're down 31. We have to match up 31 to this x squared, x, and 1. Well, the x squared so far is so good because 6 squared equals 36. And we just need to go from that 36 to the 31 in some manner. 36 to 31, well, they differ by 5, and 5 is 1 less than 6. So if we go from 36 to 30, oh, and take away a 6, this must be a minus x. So we have 6 squared, 36, minus 6, which gives 30. We'll put a little 30 up here. And finally, to get our 31 factor, we need to put in a plus sign. Plus 1. So there's our second factor. X cubed plus 1 equals the quantity x plus 1. In this case, this was 6 plus a 1, or 7. And over here, we had x squared, which was 36, minus a 6, plus 1. Order of operations give us 31. 7 times 31, that checks, that checks, that checks, so there's our factored form. And make the little sad face. Let's keep the eye in place into a happy face instead of uh-oh. I'll make this yeah, yes. Thanks for viewing.